If you ever dream of stepping into a real life storybook, of wandering through a place where wood whispers secrets and stained glass tell stories, you'll want to bookmark this next stop on a Portugal journey. Welcome to Livraria Lelio, the soul of Porto and often called the most beautiful bookstore in the world. Yes, it's a bookstore, but not just any bookstore. It's a cathedral of books, a visual feast, and a place that blends literature, arts, and meat like nowhere else on earth. Located on Rua das Carmeletas in Porto, Livraria Lillo opened in 1906, built by brothers Jose and Antonio Lillo, both passionate about books and the arts. Their goal was to elevate book buying into something sacred, and they succeeded. When you enter, the first thing that hits you is the scent of aged paper and polished wood, and then your eyes are drawn upward. The majestic, sweeping red staircase curves through the center like something out of a fairy tale. It's not just beautiful, it's brilliant engineering. The carved wooden handrails are so artfully done, it's hard to believe they weren't sculpted by magic. Above you, a stained glass skylight filters in natural light through vibrant blues, reds, and golds. It reads Dicos in labore, in Latin for dignity in work. It's a fitting motto for a place that's been nurturing minds and spirits for over a century. Now, here's where the myth deepens. In the early 1990s, J.K. Rowling lived in Porto teaching English. Locals often whisper that Livraria Lilio inspired her vision of Hogwarts. The grand staircase, the Gothic arches, the floating feel of the mezzanine. Rowling has never officially confirmed it, but honestly, once you see it, you'll believe it. And trivia time. The bookstore has been such an influx of Harry Potter fans over the years that they had to start charging admission to control the crowds. It's now draws nearly 5,000 visitors a day. Take your time here. This isn't a rush in, rush out kind of place. Wander the book laden balconies and run your fingers across the ornate railings. Check out the art Novio wood carvings, the hand painted walls, and the sheer silence. It's like the books are gently breathing. You'll find classic in Portuguese, English, French, and beyond. There's a special section for rare books in first editions. They also publish their own edition under Lilio Publishing, featuring gorgeously bound version of The Little Prince, Pride and Prejudice, and The Divine Comedy. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a literary event of poet or poetry reading. Many are in both Portuguese and English. Okay, now let's talk logistics. Here's what you need to know to get the most out of your visit. Entry fee is €5 or 5.40 USD, which is redeemable if you purchase a book. Where to get tickets? Buy online at livrarialilio.pt to avoid the long lines. Seriously, lines can stretch for hours during summer. Best time to visit early weekday mornings or just before closing. Avoid weekends if you want less crowd and more serenity. Special tip, you can book the Lelio Gold Experience, a VIP ticket that grant early access before opening, a private tour, and even a special edition book to take home. And looking for the perfect keepsake? Grab a limited edition Portuguese copy of Os Lusíadas by Louis de Camões, a Portugal epic poet, or a beautiful bound English translation of Fernando Pessoa work. What that iconic Instagram shot? Here's how to get it. Stand halfway by the staircase, tilt your phone upward, and capture both the swirl of the steps and the stained glass above. Then and welcome the likes. But I'll offer this snap your photo, then put the phone away. Let your senses take over. This is a place to feel, not just pose. And in a world moving fast and digitally, Livraria Lilio invites us to slow down, to treasure the tactile beauty of books, and to remember what stories do and connect us across time, across language, across souls. So whether you're a die-hard bibliophile or just curious traveler, Livraria Lilio is more than a bookstore. It's a love letter to literature. So add Livraria Lilio to your Portugal itinerary, whether it's a layover or literary pilgrimage, because some places don't just sell stories; they are stories. So please subscribe and uh, drop some comments on the comment section, and please share this video to share the knowledge regarding this wonderful Livraria Lilio, or one of the most beautiful library in the world. And yeah, see the magic of this place. Until next time, ate logo and ciao.